Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to try to make a HelloFresh meal. Seared steak with demi reduction. Served with garlic, mashed potatoes, and honey roasted carrots. Not going to make the potatoes since I'm on a keto diet and Amory doesn't want any, so I'm going to just put that to the side. So when you see that on here, I'm not making that part of it. I'm only going to do the carrots and the steak. So let's see how we do. I'm not a chef, but I think I can handle it. Alright, first thing, just rack, top position, 425. We're on top, preheat 425. Start. Preheating. Trim and peel all carrots and cut diagonally 1/2 inch thick. Okay, I got this little guy here, and I'm going to peel them into my garbage pan. One. Okay, got the carrots all trimmed up. And now I'm going to cut them on the board. I just want to say, well, I gotta get in camera, huh? Get everything on there, but anyway, I just want to say, Alyssa got me started with this HelloFresh, so I gotta become a chef. She got me this new global knife. It's very sharp. I gotta cut them into 1/2 inch thick pieces diagonally. Can't cut that fast, I'll cut myself, just saying. Okay, got the carrots cut, and then the next thing would have been the potatoes, which we're not doing. And now I got to cut up the scallion. It says to trim and thinly slice scallions, separating the whites from the greens. Peel and mince or grate garlic. Well, it says there should have been a clove of garlic here, but I do not see a clove of garlic. Oh, there it is. Clove of garlic is there. The HelloFresh, everything came in a little bag, little brown bag. I don't know if anyone's ever gotten it, but everything comes together. Came with this beef ranch steak, beef Demi Glaze. What is this? I don't even know what this is. What could this be? Let's see. Oh, the honey. 2 tablespoons of honey is in here. Some sour cream, which might be for the potatoes, the garlic, and scallions. As you can tell, I'm a little out of my element. I'll consider that the green part, and I'll consider this the white section. Okay, scallions are cut, and next, toast the carrots on the baking sheet with a little drizzle of olive oil, seasoned generously with salt and pepper. Got a little pan here, I sprayed it a little, carrots on it. Drizzle some olive oil, salt and pepper. Doesn't come out very fast. Okay. It says roast on top rack until tender and golden brown at edges, 20 to 25 minutes. Then drizzle with honey and carefully toss to coat. Okay. Alright. Okay, Google, stop. It's still preheating the oven, so I can't put it in yet. Okay. Let's see what's next. Oh, it's preheated. I heard it beep. Let's put these in the oven. Okay, Google. Set an alarm for 20 minutes.
6:33 p.m. Set.
Alrighty then. Okay, let's see what's next. Well, that's cooking mashed potatoes, which I'm not making. So the sour cream and the potatoes. While that's cooking, it says start your steak. While potatoes are cooking, pat steak dry with paper towels and season with salt and pepper. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add steak and cook to desired tenderness. Oh, doneness, it says. 3 to 6 minutes per side. Turn off heat, transfer to a cutting board, let rest for 5 minutes. Wash out pan. Melt a tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of butter for 4 servings. I got 2 servings, so it's 1 tablespoon. Then it says, in the pan used for cooking the steak over medium heat, add scallion whites and cook until softened, 1 to 2 minutes. Stir in the demi glaze, 2 tablespoons of water, bring to a simmer for 1 minute. Turn off heat, stir in remaining sour cream, taste and season with pepper. Alright. That's probably the demi glaze. So now the steak says 3 to 6 minutes per side, and the carrots are supposed to take 20 minutes. So wait a couple minutes, and then I'll start the steak. Might as well get it ready, I guess. Put it on a plate. Can you cut open? These bags are sealed really well. Now it says to pat it dry. Pat it dry. think I've ever patted steak dry before. First time I'm making steak with HelloFresh, so we'll try to go by the directions. So, heat a drizzle of olive oil on medium. Medium. Drizzle. Get it a little warm, and then we'll put it on there. I was gonna put the fan on, but it's kind of loud. Let's see. I'll put it on while it's cooking, while I'm not talking. Okay, we'll give this a minute to heat up. All right, I'm gonna add the steak in. It's patted dry. Put that away. It said 3 to 6 minutes per side, so once it starts grilling a little bit, I don't see it really that hot yet. It's starting to. We'll go 3 to 6 minutes from there. I like my meat a little red, so more like a medium to medium rare. So I guess depending on how you like it, she's starting to fry up now. Okay, Google, set an alarm for 3 minutes. So when the alarm goes up 3 minutes, I'll flip them. That smells good. Oh, that's well, plenty done for me. The alarm didn't go yet, but there it is. Okay, Google, set an alarm for 3 minutes. Okay, Google, stop. All right, now we'll take it out. It says to let it sit for 5 minutes, and I gotta make the Demi Glaze anyway. Rinse this out quickly. All right. She's rinsed. Tablespoon of butter. About a tablespoon, right? Maybe a little more. Not big on measurements, but it is a tablespoon. Back on. Add scallion whites. Scallion whites. Okay. It's going good. I'm the chef of the future. All right, Google, set an alarm for 2 minutes. It says 2 minutes, or until they get soft. So let's see how that goes. I think I probably should have diced up the scallions a little more. Oh, it just says to thinly slice them, so it'll be okay. They're getting soft. Okay, Google, stop. Alright, I'm going to put in the Demi Glaze. And 2 tablespoons of water. And it says to let it simmer. Turn off heat, stir in remaining sour cream. One of these sour cream. Let's see, it looks pretty good. Maybe I should take it off the heat. It's gonna burn. Alright, and it says to thinly slice the steak. I don't remember my carrots going off though. Let me go check on them. They look pretty good. I gotta add the honey. Okay. Add honey, toss them around a little bit, it says. I'm going to leave them in this corner because that's where the honey is. Just going to put it back in 5 more minutes. We'll see. They're getting a little too cooked already. Now I got to slice the steak. Now we're going to plate it up. Okay, now I'll put the carrots on there. Alright guys, so that was my first HelloFresh, and I plated it. I know the potatoes are missing on there, but it looks pretty good. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so for you guys that don't cook, HelloFresh can help you out. And for you wives out there or girlfriends, maybe you want to get them a little HelloFresh gift certificate and try it out. Not bad. So let's see how it tastes. And I have 2 more HelloFresh packages because I got enough for 3 days. So I'm going to see if I can get Alyssa to help me out on one as well, because I know she's been doing a lot of this. Alright, we're going to test it out. My first meal on video. Carrots? Wow. Carrots are good. I think I did pretty good. And remember, if you get the HelloFresh and you're on keto like me, just don't do the potatoes, or maybe you can switch it with something else. They do also have some keto-friendly meals as well. So, Alright guys, that was a good meal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time when I'll try to cook another meal, since DIY Dad can't work outside since it's a little bit cold out. So again, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll be doing another meal. My daughter Alyssa might help me out. And that's it. So I'll see you next time.